So, Mina and Yaya, in today's class, we are going to learn. Mina, please don't annotate. Okay. So, we are going to learn a new block in the motion block, okay, which is set Y. Okay. You both know what is a graph.
Yes,
Okay.
we know the graph.
You have studied in the school that what is a graph, and graph has two axes, the x-axis and the y-axis. You know that?
Yes. Okay.
The
The X
x-axis,
has function to see our level, and the Y has the one function to check our jumping height.
okay, x-axis is this and y-axis is this. So if I want, Mina, if I will choose this, that when I click on when green flag click forever, okay. Now, if I want that my cat should only move left and right, it should not go up and down. If I want to lock the y-axis, if you go up and down, then the y-axis is changing, okay? So if you will lock the y-axis right here, then what will happen? Then the cat will only move left and right, okay? If we code this that when green flag click forever, can you see that there is a block set y2 in the motion? Can you see it?
Yes.
Okay, what will this block do? This block will lock your y-axis. Okay, this means that if we will use set y block, then our y-axis will be locked and the cat will only can move left and right, not up and down. Okay, when green flag click forever, set y to minus 119, point towards mouse pointer and move 10 steps. Now, if I will click on the green flag, okay, now you can see that the cat is following my mouse pointer and it is only going left and right. It is not going up and down. Can you see it?
Oh wow.
It is only moving left and right. It is not going up and down because we have blocked the y-axis. Okay.
Can we just put the if on as bounce because this can go in the edge stuff?
Okay. Do you both have any question or confusion till here?
No.
No.
All right. Now what we are going to do, okay, when green flag click forever and then I will go in motion, set y, I will use the set y block, set y, okay, and then point towards mouse pointer and move 10 steps. Now, if I will run the code, you can see that there is a problem. I want that this pedal only should only move left and right, but it is also going round and round. Can you see it?
Yes.
Okay, so how we can solve this problem? Which block should we use?
Maybe we should remove the point toward one.
No point in direction, I guess.
Okay, point in direction. Okay, now if I can,
Rotation style.
yes, if I will use this set rotation style to left and right, now our problem is solved. You can see that now the pedal is only moving left and right and it is not going round and round. Okay, do you both have any confusion till here?
No.
Yes.
Yes, yeah.
I mean, no, sir. I
Okay,
accidentally said yes.
all right. Now I want, Mina, that when I click on this green flag, this ball should move. Okay. So how will I do that? Is that I will go in the ball. Okay. I will go in the events and I will use that when green flag click forever. When green flag click forever.
I thought you were asking somebody else.
When green flag click forever. What should it do now?
Go to move and stand. What happened?
Yes.
Move 10 steps.
Okay. When green flag click forever, move 10 steps. And if I will now click on the green flag, it is going move. It is moving. Okay. But now what we will also do?
Bounce.
Yes, if on edge bounce. Okay. If
Okay.
on edge bounce. Now if I will click on the green flag, this is moving. Okay. But we have a problem. What we will do is that when green flag click forever, move 10 steps. Okay. If on edge bounce.
Set rotation start after light.
Oh.
So what is the problem?
The problem is that when green flag click forever, move 10 steps. If on edge bounce, and then what we have to do, we can change the direction. Okay, point in direction. We can change the point in direction. 45.
45. Meow. That's so funny.
Oh gosh.
It is good now.
Yeah.
Okay, when green.
All around.
Yes. Now what I want, Mina and Gaia, that I want that when I put this here, this ball should bounce back.
Oh, I know, sir.
Yes. How can we do?
Go to paddle.
Okay.
Then we will code if touching ball. I mean, let's go to back to the ball.
Okay.
If touching paddle,
Okay. If then you will go in the sensing that if touching paddle, then
then maybe I forgot.
okay. Now what will we do that if touching paddle, then what should it do? We will use this block again. That point in direction 45.
You could just duplicate the 45 block though.
Yes. Now if I will click on the green flag, this ball is going, okay. And now when it will come and if I will touch this, it is going.
But sir, there is only one problem I have to tell you.
Yes.
If the ball touches the floor, it could say game over.
Yes.
So that's why we need the red line.
Okay, that's why we need a red line. Well done. So now what we will do if I want to, okay, first of all, what we can do is that we can create a variable to point
Which
the
is
score.
called line. Oh, score.
Yes, score. Okay, and then
I
when
use the
green
score.
flag click, set score to 0. And when should it change the score? That when it will touch the pedal. Okay. Whenever it will touch the pedal, it will change the score by 1. Okay.
Oh gosh, that's fun. We can
Yeah.
also make it like this, like Yahya said that if it touches the
Yes,
you
we
know,
are going to do it. We are going to do it because right now, there is no game over. Okay, it this game is running in a loop and it will never end. So now we have to make it end. So we will go in the sprite. Okay, and here if you will write red line, okay, you can see that there is a line here. Okay, we can take this sprite and we can put it right at the bottom of our backdrop. Okay, Mina?
Okay.
Now what we will do, we will again go in the ball, and if we will use the if block again. Okay, that if touching
Line.
then what should it do?
Switch backdrop to game over and then hide.
Yes, first of all, we will use that if touching line, then stop all. Okay, what will it do? That the all moving balls all will be stopped. Okay.
Okay.
When if touching line, then stop all, then what we can do, we can go in backdrops. Okay, we can draw a backdrop. We will delete our old backdrops. Okay, now we can here, we can draw a game over backdrop. Okay, and we can use the text tool to write.
Show.
Yes,
The red line doesn't show though.
yes, the red line will not show. Just wait a minute. Game over. We are making a game over backdrop. Okay, and we should hide all the things. Now, what will we do that when green flag click, what should happen? It should switch backdrop to the neon. Okay. When green flag click, it should switch backdrop to neon tunnel. Okay. And if touching line, then what should it
Switch
do?
backdrop to game over.
Switch backdrop to backdrop 1. Okay. Now, if I will click on the green flag, and now if the line touches, you can see all, if we have used here the stop all block. That's why all the things are stop moving. Okay. Now what we have to do, we have to hide these all things. So what we will do, that when green flag click, we will use the show block here. Okay,
We
when
can just put the hide after the stop all.
we can't put it here. Okay. So what we'll do, that when green flag click, the ball should be shown, and when should it be hide? When backdrop has switched to backdrop 1, it should be hidden. Okay. And then we will go in the paddle, and now what we will do, that when green flag click show, and when it should hide, when backdrop switches to backdrop 1, then it should hide. Okay.
Okay.
And then we will go in the red line. We will also do this here, that when green flag click, it should show.
But the red line already doesn't show.
Yes, but it is right there. That's why we are also hiding it. And when backdrop switches to backdrop 1, it should hide. Okay. And now what else we have to hide? We have to hide the variable. So what we will do, that when green flag click, show variable score. Okay. And hide variable when if it had touched the line. Okay. Now if I will click on the green flag, now our game has started. Okay.
It's so fun looking.
And when it will touches the red line, it will change the backdrop to game over, and all our sprites and variables will be hidden. Okay.
Okay, that's the best game I've ever seen.
All right. Do you both have any type of question or confusion till here?
Um, no. No.
Okay. Is everything clear?
Yep.
All right. Now I'm stop sharing my screen. Okay. And now you both have to start sharing your screen, and you have to make this game.